This is a 6-color Flexo printing machine, ordered by a Polish customer. The customized requirement is printable for aluminum foil material. This machine is also compatible with many printing materials, such as film paper and more. The machine is equipped with control panel, automatic web guide system, and unwinding mechanism. The unwinding unit provides constant tension feeding. With real-time correction by web guide system, material runs without deviation or offset, keeping stable tension and wrinkle-free during printing. Here is the key highlight. This machine is equipped with 6-color printing unit, standard with LED UV curing system. It features fast curing speed and perfect drying effect. Printing on aluminum foil, film and paper gets dried instantly after printing. Matched with camera inspection system, it realizes online real-time defect detection, automatically identifies register deviation, stains and missing printing. It strictly controls printing quality, screens out defective products in advance, and improves the qualified rate. Finally, let's take a look at the printing quality. We can see the machine features accurate overprinting and uniform and full colors. The printed surface is clean without stains and ghosting, with clear and delicate patterns. The finished products have high grade and strong stability. For more details, please feel free to contact us.